Most AI presenters look impressive. The avatar is realistic. The voice sounds natural. The delivery feels smooth. And yet, they don't build authority. They don't convert. They don't scale. And the reason isn't technical. It's structural. Right now, most creators building AI talking head videos are optimizing the wrong variables. They're focused on lighting, voice realism, camera framing, export quality. They're trying to make the presenter look credible. But authority is not a visual effect. It's a system. An AI presenter can look polished and still feel hollow, because polish is not positioning, while impressive content might trigger a reaction. Authority builds a relationship. That's the difference. When someone watches your video, they are subconsciously evaluating 3 things. Is this consistent? Is this intentional? Is there a system behind this? If your AI presenter feels slightly different every time, if the tone shifts, if the structure changes, if the message feels improvised, authority never forms. Because authority is predictability over time. An AI presenter is not content. It's an interface. It's the delivery layer of a deeper system. If that system isn't defined, the presenter becomes a novelty, and novelty spikes once, then fades. Without an identity lock, your AI presenter is just a costume. With an identity lock, it becomes infrastructure. Most creators design style. Very few design structure. Style asks, how does this look? Structure asks, how does this scale? Structure defines what problems this presenter addresses, how arguments are built, what emotional pattern repeats, how each video connects to the next. Without that architecture, your output may look advanced, but it won't compound. AI does not create authority. It amplifies structure. If the structure is weak, AI scales weakness. If the structure is strong, AI scales leverage. That's the difference between content that feels impressive and content that builds something durable. You don't need a better avatar. You need a defined framework behind it. The reason most AI presenters never convert is not because the technology is flawed. It's because the thinking behind the technology is undefined. When structure comes first, scale becomes possible. When style comes first, authority collapses. That's the framework.